So there's the tug. It's the boat. They're starting work on the pier, or I think this is the preparations to start it. It's a long way to go yet. The lifeboat's there. Can't really see it that well. It's not great, but that'll do. Just make out a digger. Bet that's stuff for the old pier.
There's nothing on it.
So, see the crane? And over there's the lifeboats. People watching. There's a lot of stuff going on at the moment because of the pier. And with the pier happening, so they've got lifeboats going out and stuff. So I expect the lifeboats are doing their training today, as we can see from here. And the guy in the dinghy there. And some more onlookers. There's a few onlookers come down to see what's going on today. This is quite a little exciting place at the moment because of our pier and the work they're going to be doing for next year. So where's that going then? Is that just going out and around, is it? It's beautiful out. It's what they've got, and this is the cabin where they're doing, like, I think teas, coffees, I'm not sure. boat. Lifeboat's gone right over there now, so you can't really see it. Just about make him out over there, or... But today the sea is so blue, but it's not, it's brown. Because Western, the Severn Estuary is brown. Folks, I'm at BIRNBECK Pier. I'll spin you around and show you what's going on. My zoom isn't powerful. Hi guys, I'm at BIRNBECK Pier. I'll spin you around and show you what's going on. I don't have a good zoom, but I will show you anyway. Hi folks, I'm at BIRNBECK Pier. I'll spin you around and show you what's going on. Unfortunately my zoom lens isn't very good, but hey ho. There it is. They've got a cabin on there, I think. You can just make it out. My pixels are terrible. There's the cabin. You can just see to the left of the lifeboat house where the crane is. It's not exactly a perfect day to come out. Taking good shots here. They reckon it will be maybe a couple of years tops, or maybe they'll start to do some opening of it next year. But I wish them all the very best of luck with this beautiful project, and I want them to do well on it. Particularly low tide, so I've come, the tide is right the way down and it's drizzling with rain. Like a bit of rain, does I? They've got so much to do on them floorboards, look at them, they're all jagged. There you go, you have a look. If you want to freeze it, if you want to freeze the picture, and then it'll give you the information on what's happening here. Off all this here. This is all closed off here, look. It's all...
We're fucking dead anyway.